For this project, we're going to look at two different elements of art, which are shape and space. What you're going to need is one piece of paper, size A3, that will be the white one, and a black piece of paper, which is size A4. You will also need a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and glue. For the very first part, what you are going to draw is a total of 6 different shapes on the black piece of paper. 3 are going to be organic shapes, and 3 are going to be... First, using a ruler, you are going to draw 3 geometric shapes on the paper. They can be any geometric shape that you want. I have already done this. So I have chosen a rectangle, a hexagon, and a triangle. On the opposite side of the paper, you're going to draw 3 organic shapes. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. It's important that on one side you have the geometric and on the other you have the organic shapes. It is also important for this size paper to not have any of the shapes longer than 4 inches. So they should all be 4 or less for both the organic and the geometric. The next step is to cut out all of your shapes. So using your scissors, carefully cut along the lines that you just made. So now that I have cut out all of my shapes, it's now time to arrange them and glue them on the white piece of paper. So, on the white paper, the big piece goes in the middle. Okay. All of the other pieces, you're going to fit them back into their place of where you cut them out from. Okay, so once I have those arranged, I'm going to take those pieces back out by just flipping them over. So now you can see how this has turned into a hexagon here. Okay, so with these shapes, we are now creating a negative and positive space all within this work of art. But we're not finished. We still need to glue all of them. You need very, very little glue though. A lot of people have a tendency to put a lot of glue, but very little is actually necessary. So I'm going to start by gluing the largest piece in the middle. So I'm going to turn it over and just put a little bit of glue on the edges. Okay, I can always go back and add a little bit more glue to anywhere if necessary. now that I have this large piece in the center glued down, I'm going to go through and glue every one of the other pieces in the same order, in the same position that they're already in, onto the paper. And once again, you need very, very little glue. And also be careful when you pick up the pieces to glue them that you're gluing the correct side. So after getting everything glued down on the paper, this is going to be our final product. So as you can see, we're focusing on the positive and negative space, as well as organic and geometric shapes.